How to sign up and get started with record time backend system and mobile app. In this tutorial, we will look at how to sign up to record time, navigating to different menus and how it works, creating employees, adding custom clients, creating docket templates and installing a template from a Docket Bank, assigning templates to your employees, and how to use record time mobile app to send dockets. All of this information will be divided into different segments with timestamps on the description of the video, so you can simply click the section you want to understand or relearn your steps. Let's get started. Go to the browser and type in recordtime.com.au and click Sign Up from the menu. The person or email signing up will be the super admin or owner of the account, who has the ultimate control over the other users. Please add your desired email address and password. Confirm you're not a robot, read our terms of use and license agreement, tick the checkbox, and click Register. Once the registration request has been submitted, you will need to go to your inbox or spam mail to check for your verification email. If you try and log in without verifying your email address, you will get a pop-up error message. Once you verify your email address, it will give you a pop-up message saying your account has been activated successfully. Once you get this confirmation message, you are able to continue setting up your record time account. You also receive another email highlighting a step-by-step guide on how to use record time. You can follow this video or follow the instruction email to sign up with ease. After the successful verification, please log in with your email address and nominated password. On the next screen, you will be able to pick a plan that is suitable to your business needs. Please note, the pricing and plans displayed on the screen may not be applicable at the time of your signing up. You are able to choose your desired plan from the list, or if you need more users or a customized plan for your business, you can pick and subscribe to the highest number of users plan available and get in touch via email or by calling to request a customized plan for your business. The next step is your profile page. Please fill out your profile details properly and ensure the information is correct. We use the information on file to organize a follow-up call or email regarding the support you may need for setting up the account. Additionally, the company details, including a company logo, are used to send dockets and invoices to your clients as a header. The logo file currently only supports JPEG, PNG, and BMP image files. Well done on setting up your profile. Now we'll move on to the backend menus to explore how they all come together. Menu. Dashboard. Let's have a look at the dashboard overview. You can get to it by clicking the logo in the backend. This menu gives you a snapshot of how many dockets and invoices you have sent, how many employees you have, and if any client requests have been made. It also highlights the most recent dockets and invoices that have been sent or received. Scheduler. The scheduler allows you to allocate jobs and plan to your staff. Here you can add job details, comments, location of the job, and assign forms or dockets that need to be filled as part of the job. Employee management. The employee management page lets you manage your employees. You can see their full name, email address, if they are an admin or currently employed or not, and if they are active or inactive. Manage plant. From this page, you can add details of your plant, equipment, or vehicle details. You can also put an alert or reminder for X days before the expiry of registration of your plant. Message or reminders. From this page, you can message or send alerts and reminders to your employee individually or by creating a group or project. Once you send a message from this page, it will pop up on their record time mobile application. For this to work, they have to be signed in on their mobile app. Employee leave and plant availability. From this page, you are able to add and track employees that are on leave and plant or equipment that are on leave for servicing. This will ensure you know what resources you have available at your disposal. For this to work, you need to create your plants from Manage Plant and employees from Manage Employees. View plant usage. In this screen, you can see how busy a particular plant item is and for which dates it is scheduled. It is a calendar that shows the various jobs the plant item is assigned to. Let's have a look at how managing or adding employees work. Manage employees. In this example, we are adding an employee called Alex Smith. Please enter your employee's details in the field and ensure their email address is valid. You can create a password for them, and once their profile has been saved, an email highlighting the instruction, username, password, and a link to download the mobile app will be sent to them to get started. You can update your employee's profile at any time to make them an admin, to make them active or inactive depending on their employment status, and much more. You can hover over the help icons to see what you and your employees can achieve by ticking or unticking the given checkboxes. You can control what they see on their mobile app to ensure the ease of use. Being an admin or super admin, you can grant them the ability to send dockets or invoices and start a timer or send email dockets to clients. If they are part of your administration team or someone who needs access to the backend system, it's as easy as ticking the checkbox to make them an admin and saving the details for that particular employee. Most importantly, if someone no longer works for your company or is quitting their job, you are able to make them inactive by unticking the currently employed checkbox on their profile and saving it. It's as easy as ticking and unticking to grant them the access they need. Client Management. Clients. The Clients tab or page lets you add a client from the list of already signed up and happy clients to send dockets straight to their mobile apps. Please get in touch with us to add a company that is already using the Record Time app. This allows for quick in-app notifications and docket approvals. Custom clients. If the client you are working with are not already using Record Time, you have the option to add them as custom clients by adding their email address and company details on the Custom Clients page. The details you enter for your clients, such as their email, full name, company name, and address, will be used to send dockets and invoices via email. Once added, you are able to edit or delete them from the custom clients list as required. Docket Book Manager. Dockets. From this page, you are able to view all sent, received, and emailed dockets. From this section, you can export CSV, Excel files, or PDFs, move dockets into folders. You can create folders to make it project-specific and set it up in a hierarchy similar to your folders on your computer, and you can also filter, view, approve, download and reject dockets, and much more. Docket Templates. Here you can create new docket templates. You can choose to either start templates from scratch or select a template from the Docket Bank. A demo will be provided on this video at a later stage to show how the Docket Bank works. From this page, you are able to edit existing templates or clone, publish, and delete templates using the red button beside each template. You can also assign templates to specific folders, so when a docket is created using that template, it will automatically be placed into the selected folder for easier file keeping. Assign docket templates. This page lets you assign docket templates to employees, or you can assign them directly before publishing your templates. You can assign one docket to multiple employees at the same time, or you can assign them individually. Please ensure you have added your employees before assigning any templates. This page also highlights which employees are assigned to which templates, and you are able to remove or unlink the templates from their profile by clicking on the Delete button. Whatever template you assign will be displayed on your employees' mobile devices automatically on their Record Time app. Please note, you will have to tick the Can Docket checkbox on their profile to make the option to send dockets available on their mobile app. Docket Label. The Docket Label page lets you create labels to mark your dockets via the Dockets page. Docket labels are like tags or post-it notes. They help you mark off or highlight a docket to keep track of its status. You can color-code it, use an icon, or name it as required. For example, processed, invoiced, entered into MYOB, or 0. You are able to create new docket labels as well as edit or delete existing labels from this page. Docket Settings. You can create universal terms and conditions or disclaimers for your templates from this page. You can create different disclaimers or different templates as required and load it up on your docket template by adding terms and conditions elements and selecting the desired template. You can add new terms and conditions as well as edit and delete existing terms, and it will update automatically on all linked templates. Project. On this page, you can create projects to keep track of your budget and manage project spending. Enter your budget value and select the templates you wish to count towards the tally. Please note, you must create the project first for dockets to be included. Dockets created with the project templates beforehand will not be included in the tally. Docket Bank. This page lists templates that have been created and uploaded by record time as well as other users or companies. You are able to search and preview the templates before installing it to your backend. Either use them exactly as they are or modify them to suit your specific needs. Once installed, you will have to go to Docket Templates to edit and assign Dockets page to assign them. Dockets. As mentioned, the Docket page will highlight all dockets that have been sent or received. You can control the filter by using the advanced filter on the right, or you can use the sidebar menu on the left to filter through sent, received, or emailed dockets. You can also create folders from the bottom left corner section of the page to file your dockets as needed. Docket Templates. On this page, you are able to see the overview of the templates that have been created, such as template name, if a template is assigned to a folder, date added, who created it, if it has been assigned or not, and most importantly, you can click the View or green eye button to go inside the template and edit it. In this example, we are looking at the default pre-start checklist template. You can edit the title of the elements or fields as required. In this example, we are adding a custom word after date and saving it for demonstration. Every field has options that you can enable or disable to set up rules. Docket Preview. If ticked, this field will be shown as a summary on your Dockets page. This will enable you to see important information without going in and out of the dockets. Required. If ticked, this field will be mandatory to be filled by the mobile users. Hide from recipient. If ticked, this field will hide from recipients. For example, specific comments or regulatory fields can be hidden from your recipients or clients when enabled. Timer and show day. If ticked, it will show you the day and timestamp that the users can choose if you need to be specific. Is email subject. If you look at the checkbox option on the Operator Names field, you will see one more checkbox called Is email subject. If ticked, this will be the email subject of the docket that you send to clients via email. Docket Elements. These are the fields or elements that you can add to transform your paper forms and dockets into digital dockets with record time. All the elements and most of the sections on the website have a help or question mark symbol on the right side. If you hover over it, it will highlight how it works. Record Time's docket templates are blank canvases, and you as an artist are in control of how it can transform your business. Our clients have used the forms to create employee induction documents to contact tracing forms. The elements or fields created can be rearranged as required. You can simply click and drag to whatever position you like. We're going to add a signature field on this template and make it a required field so the mobile app users have to input their signature. Additionally, as you see on the right side of the text fields, you will see a dark button that says Pre-Filler. Take note of this. We'll highlight how it works in a later section when sending a docket from the mobile app. It allows you to create a drop-down list of most used information to make it easier for users to input correct data. Finally, on the bottom left corner of this page, you can see a mobile phone with the fields we have added so far. This gives you an overview of how this template would look on the mobile app. Once you are happy, you can click the Save button to save your changes. Assign docket templates. As discussed previously, this page outlines all employees with assigned docket templates. First, you will have to click the Assign or Update button on the employee's profile. Once inside, you are able to unassign dockets by clicking on the Delete button, or you can assign templates by clicking the Assign button from the right-hand side of the page. From the main page, when you click the Assign New button, you can select the template you wish to assign from the drop-down menu and can choose one or more employees or select all employees to assign the chosen template. If you delete or unassign the template, the user tagged to it will not have access to it on their mobile app. Docket Bank. As highlighted before, this page lists all of the templates that have been shared by the Record Time team and other users. You can search for the templates and preview to see how they look. You can always amend the template once installed to suit your own needs. To install it to your backend, click Install and click Yes on the pop-up window to add it to your list of templates. Once installed, go to the Docket Book Manager menu and click Docket Templates to view it. You can see it here with a red cross, which means it's not assigned yet. You can review the name of the template and click the green I button to view it. Inside the template, you can rearrange the fields or add a field from the docket elements from the left side of the page. Once you are happy with the result, hit Save and it will show a pop-up menu to assign templates to your users from the drop-down list. You can assign a single or multiple users as required, or you can click Assign Later to assign users in the future. Invoice Management. Invoices. The invoice page works similar to the Dockets page. From this page, you are able to view all sent, received, and emailed invoices. From this section, you can export CSV or Excel files or PDFs, move invoices into folders. You can create folders to make it project-specific and set it up in a hierarchy similar to your folders on your own computers. And you can also send invoices directly from the backend, filter invoices, view them, and much more. Invoice templates. Similar to the Docket Templates page, from this page you are able to create new invoice templates, edit existing templates, or delete and assign templates to a folder. Assigning an invoice to a specific folder will automatically place it into the selected folder for easier file keeping. Assign invoice templates. This page lets you assign invoice templates to employees through the menu, or you can assign them directly before publishing your templates. You can also nominate who can send invoices to your clients directly. Please note, you will have to tick the Can Invoice checkbox on their employee profile to make the option to send invoices available on their mobile app. Invoice label. The invoice label concept works the same as the docket label. However, the labels created on this page are only accessible on invoices. The invoice label page lets you create invoice labels to mark your invoices. Invoice labels are like tags or post-it notes in the real world. They help you mark off or highlight an invoice to keep track of its status. Invoice setting. If this section is completed, your banking information is automatically listed on the bottom of your invoices. You can also amend the instruction or additional information text box as required. This will ensure your customers know where to pay your invoice and your company's terms for payment. Once your banking information is entered, please click the Save button to save the information. Any invoices sent from this point onwards to your clients will automatically display your banking details and additional information. Profile page. My subscription. This page allows you to view your existing plan information and lets you upgrade or downgrade your plan. Profile. To come to this section, you can click your name from the top right corner of the page. Once you click your name, you come to your profile page where you can update your company and contact details. Invoice setting. If this section is completed, your banking information is automatically listed on the bottom of your invoices. You can also amend the instruction or additional information text box as required. This will ensure your customers know where to pay your invoice and your company's terms for payment. Once your banking information is entered, please click the Save button to save the information. Any invoices sent from this point onwards to your clients will automatically display your banking details and additional information. Docket settings. As highlighted previously, you can create the Terms and Conditions templates in this section. Simply click the Add New button and a pop-up window will appear. You just have to add a title and your terms and conditions to get started. Change password. This page allows you to change or update your password, or you can update it from the Employee Management page. Update credit card. This page lets you add, update, or delete your credit card details. Please update your credit card details to avoid any interruptions after your trial ends. Billing history. This page shows all the invoices you have paid for the use of record time software. You can view the date of payment, total amount paid, and even download invoices. Xero setting. As highlighted before, this page lets you link your Xero software with record time to enable syncing invoices and your timesheets. Date settings. By default, your employees are able to select any date range. With the restricted dates, you can control how far back or how far in the future your employees are able to pick dates. Utilities. Timer. This page allows you to keep track of hours worked, breaks, comments, and photos your employees upload on their mobile app. You can also monitor past timers and active timers from the backend. Admins are in control of what information their employees are required to fill while they use the timer feature. Please note, you will have to tick the Can Timer checkbox on their profile to enable the option for clock or time feature on their mobile app. Pre-Filler Manager. Pre-Filler allows you to add a list of tasks, job numbers or rego number, or any type of fixed information that gets used on a regular basis. Instead of typing repetitive information on every docket, a drop-down field is created on mobile apps to enable quicker, faster, and accurate data capture. Essentially, the pre-filler is made to make the docket creation process easier for your mobile app users. There are two default lists you can add on your dockets: Employee List and Client List. You will have to add other pre-filler templates or lists as required and link it inside a template with your docket fields. Document Manager. The Document Manager page allows you to add PDF files to a docket template by default. Your employees can also tick it while creating a docket to view it if needed. You can use it to attach your SWMS, risk assessments, safety guidelines, and much more. You can create a list of documents or PDFs from this page to attach a document field in your docket template and choose it from the drop-down list to make your dockets compliant as required. Timesheet. This page lets you connect your timesheet and invoices to the Xero accounting platform. To connect your timesheet docket template, you will need to enable Xero timesheet field when creating a new template. Inside the Document Manager page, you can create PDF files or templates by clicking on the Add New button. All you have to do is write the name of the PDF document and click the Files field to upload a PDF document from your computer. Once uploaded, click on the Add button and it will be saved on your account. Please note, you can only attach PDF files to this section. Help section. We have created a range of frequently asked questions and a how-to section if you ever need quick help. If you need help or you have a question, please always check our help section first. Chances are we have already answered it in the help section. Simply click on the help button from the top bar of the backend near your profile name, and it will open up a library full of information to get you started. You can simply search a keyword or a question, and it will highlight the list of information to resolve your query. Mobile App section. In this section, we'll quickly show you what you and your users will see on your mobile application and how to send a docket. In this example, we will look at our employee called Alex Smith. If you remember, we added him as part of our overview on employee management. You can enter your email address and password to log into the mobile app if you have been granted permission. Once logged in, it shows an overview of sent and received dockets. In this case, it is empty as Alex is logging in for the first time. To create a docket, simply click on the plus icon from the bottom right of the screen. Depending on the granted access to this user, we are able to see docket and timer features. Click the docket icon to create a docket and it will list all the templates assigned to you. In this case, Alex only has 2 templates assigned to him. We will select Pre-Start Checklist Template in this example to get started. On this screen, as you can see, we have 2 tabs on the top of the page. Record Time Users. This section lists the employees in your company and the users of the company you are connected to. As you can see, you are able to see the name of the users and on the bottom of their column, their company name is highlighted. However, in this example, we are going to look at the Custom Email Clients tab, as you might not have a client who is using Record Time currently. You can swipe between the tabs on the Custom Email Clients section. You are either able to send a document to a new client, or you can select the one we have created during our demonstration on the Custom Clients page in the backend. In this example, we will select Nash Kanal from WebTech Solutions to send an email docket to him. We will quickly enter the required information in the field, select the date, and if we had a pre-filler listed or linked as highlighted in the Docket Template section, we could be using a drop-down menu to choose employee name and machinery to expedite the process. You can use auto geolocation or enter it manually. Please ensure you have your location services turned on for this feature to work. For proof of checks, you can either select a photo from the library or take a photo from the app to attach it with the docket. And finally, the users will be able to sign the docket on their mobile device with their fingertip to authorize they have completed the pre-start checklist. Multiple users can sign if more than one person is involved or approval is needed. Once you are happy with the information, click Send Now. Once the docket has been submitted, it will take you to the home screen where you can view the sent docket or create a new one. Since this is an email docket, we slide over to the Email Docket section and we can view it or share it as PDF to different email addresses as needed. You can also see what time the docket was sent and if it's pending approval or approved. Well done! You've sent your first docket on record time. The more you use it, the easier it gets. Happy docketing! Thank you for going through this tutorial with me today. I hope this video guide will get you through the initial process of setting up your account and getting started with using the mobile app to send dockets. More videos will be coming soon, and I'll create different timestamps in the description below so you can click the different times to learn specific sections of the tutorial.